Yeah.
What qualities do you look in a friend? कौन है जो तुम्हारे दोस्त बनते हैं, तुम देखते हैं हाँ ये मेरा जिगर मेरा यार है?
पता है मैंने रियलाइज किया है घूम फिर के फैमिली में ही ऐसी दोस्ती होती हैं या कजन्स हों या क्या हो, बट एनी लाइफ लॉन्ग फ्रेंड्स लाइक दिस दैट आई हैव, ऑब्वियसली वो लोग हैं जिनके साथ आप बचपन से स्कूल गए और बड़े हुए, तो वो वाले सारे दोस्त मेरे अमेरिका में
अभी तक हैं लेकिन
हैं. बट आई थिंक व्हाट मेक्स अ रियली गुड फ्रेंड, I think just love, respect and trust with any relationship.
Recycling, how important is it for you?
I will admit that I have not been good at it. It is very important. We would be stupid if we think this is not important, to sit here and say, oh, it doesn't matter, climate change is not a real thing. But Pakistan जैसे मुल्क में मुश्किल बहुत है.
Exactly.
वहाँ पे हम होते थे तो हमारा ट्रैश सेपरेट होता था, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक,
everything is planned.
You know, we were automatically, it was built into our lives that we were doing it. Here it's very hard. कहाँ करें? कचरा फेंकने की जगह नहीं है तो रिसाइकल हम कहाँ करें?
कराची में तो वो भी नहीं है.
वो भी नहीं है. आप रेंट्स देख लें, प्रॉपर्टी प्राइस देख लें, उसके साथ आप देख लें क्या हो रहा है. तो recycling is very important, and I think that the government should definitely work towards it, and I think cities should be fined who don't do it.
Yeah, excellent idea. Relationship में एक दूसरे के लिए आप परफेक्ट कैसे होते हैं? तुम्हारे लिए एक परफेक्ट पार्टनर क्या है?
I don't think a perfect partner exists. I think relationship.
Who will do?
I think perfect, I guess वो लोग होते हैं जो एक दूसरे की imperfections accept कर लेते हैं. Who will do? Anybody would. I don't have any, requirements कि ये भी हो, वो भी हो. My requirements are very simple. जो हर इंसान की होती हैं. Companionship, somebody you can share everything with, somebody who's more like a friend, somebody who feels like they're already your family. Comfort, ultimate comfort level.
You can tell him anything.
Anything.
Are you single or in a relationship?
I am single. Very much single.
How come a woman like you? How come, Zara?
This is a question.
Shame on you.
Shame on me?
Yes.
Shame on the guys. Shame on the guys. I'm single. You'll be very surprised. No one approaches me.
How is that possible?
I don't know.
So, ever been in love?
I thought I was.
And what happened?
Now it's hard to say because, the further those experiences go away from you, और ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है कि वो उस वक्त क्या फीलिंग थी. बट उस वक्त जब था तो I was 100% in love.
You were in love?
I was 100% in love.
In love
and I was committed also.
कैसी हो जाती है ज़ारा जब वो in love होती?
I really like myself in love actually because I feel like a very nurturing side. I'm a very nurturing person. So that really comes out and I don't know, who doesn't like to be just
Be in love.
Yeah. Who doesn't want this? No one is too cool for this. Anybody who says, oh, I don't believe in love, I think love बहुत ही, I think हम उसको गलत समझते हैं. I don't think कि वो एक दिन हो जाता है. I think that love happens over time. I think the ingredients have to be there, but I think love happens over time. कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है मैं कभी-कभी old couple से मिलती हूँ that have been together for 50 years, and they're just, you can tell that they have a different love that we can't even imagine, that we won't even call this being in love.
You can't relate to it, but you're young.
But I can relate to it because that tells me that, you know what, this is it. You work towards love. It just doesn't happen. Like, wo nahi hota love at first sight. A man and the brain, the way God has made human beings, I think is very interesting. I think the brain is a very, very strong thing.
Oh, it is.
So I think that we are set up for initial triggers to kind of nudge us in the right direction. They may be attraction, they may be anything. But I think uske baad, how you handle a relationship eventually can grow into love if you give it a chance.
और लव क्या एक ही दफा होता है कि बार-बार हो जाता है?
I think कि हो सकता है बार-बार.
मुझे लगता है कि पिछली दफा से ज्यादा होता है.
बिल्कुल हो सकता है because इस दफा हर दफा आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि not only what the other, I think the most you should learn is where you failed in a relationship, so you don't do that again.
And what you actually want in a relationship.
वो ही सारी जिंदगी लग जाती है.
हाँ.
खुद ही figure out करने में.
At what age did you realize you're an adult?
Sometimes I feel like अभी तक I have not realized that I'm an adult.
Okay.
Yeah, I have, very different things going on. एक दिन I'm a very super serious, oh my God, I have to do all this, and then the next day I'm just a complete buffoon.
Okay.
Yeah. तो कभी-कभी ये feel होता है कि शायद बड़ी नहीं हुई हूँ मैं, और फिर कभी-कभी लगता है बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो गए.
Okay. Everybody has a personal image of God. I have mine.
Yes.
I'm sure you have yours. What is yours?
I think every time I think of God, there's just this one overwhelming feeling that I get, and it's of kindness. That's it.
अच्छा, मैं choices वाले questions देने लगी. अब इम्तिहान होगा.
Oh. This is where I get in trouble.
नुमान एजाज और हुमायूं सईद.
Numan Ijaz.
फवाद खान और फहद मुस्तफा.
I don't know either one of them. Working wise, ना ही मैंने इनके साथ काम किया है. But I must say that I'm a big fan of Fawad Khan. Not for the typical reasons, but from what I can see, I feel that he really has a good grip on his approach, on how to take things, and he's a good example and inspires me also to always know what you want to do and do those things.
सबा कमर और माहिरा.
Ooh, this is a difficult one.
And I
think they're very different, both of them. Ek to comparison, I think, is a, do I have to answer this?
Yes.
Because Myra has been able to crash through a ceiling somehow.
Yeah.
And make a mark everywhere she's gone.
Oh, yes.
So just for that reason, Myra.
Mehwish or Maya Ali?
Mehwish Hayat or Maya Ali. Again, two completely different girls. I know Mehwish, and I really, really like Mehwish. I love how vocal she is.
Oh yes.
Maya का मैंने सिर्फ movie देखी है, तीफा. तो मैं personally नहीं जानती, so in this case I would say Mehwish.
नौशीन शाह और सोनिया हसन.
नौशीन शाह.
अदनान सिद्दीकी और फैसल कुरैशी.
Haven't worked with either of them.
Must have seen their work.
So this is work-wise. I would say Faisal Qureshi, because I've seen much more of risk-taking in him.
Okay. Sajal or Ikra?
Sajal.
Saveera or Sania Saeed?
I must confess, I haven't seen much of Saveera Nadeem's work.
Okay.
और सानिया सईद का जब काम देखा था तो वो अमेरिका मूव होने से पहले ही देखा था. But there is a certain soft spot I have for सानिया सईद.
एहसन खान और फिरोज खान?
फिरोज के साथ मैंने काम किया है, सो फिरोज.
Okay.
फिरोज is very hardworking.
नदीम बेग और वजाहत रऊफ?
Wajahat I haven't worked with. Nadeem, I started my career with Nadeem Beg.
Oh, you did?
I did.
Okay.
I did. जब जियो लॉन्च हुआ था तो उनकी टेलीकास्ट में our first sitcom Nadeem Beg had directed.
Oh,
so that was my first major acting project.
He's such an amazing director.
He is.
He's an amazing
What Nadeem knows,
what
not
nice
anyone
human
knows.
Being. Oh yes, he has full command on everything.
Nadeem has been through every change in this industry.
Yeah.
He has been there and he's been on top of his game whenever it has changed. And I feel like he's like a chameleon.
Yeah.
Nadeem can do anything.
Anything.
Nadeem should do an action film and cast me.
Okay, I'll tell him
Because that's what I want to talk about is those action.
And that's your dream role?
Yes, I want to be an action hero. Why not?
यहाँ पे हमें एक
Why not?
hero औरत चाहिए.
Right now ये जो हम सारी बातें कर रहे हैं ना, we need to communicate these through our art. We need to communicate these through what we can, what God has given us.
Yes, women power.
Women power. Empowerment can come from me exhibiting what I can do. so it can drive other people to say that I can do it too. So that's how we can do it instead of fighting online.